What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new 1-ton steering system on the Jeep, so a new tie rod and drag link, and we're going to pretty much show you how to do that. It works for pretty much any steering system too, not just this one. So if you got a new steering system you want to put in on your Jeep, watch this video. Alright guys, so now what you're going to want to do to start the steering install is to undo every steering bolt. There's only 4. So you got right up there next to the pitman arm. You got right here at the other end of the drag link, right here for the other one end of the tie rod, and then there's one end of the tie rod down there. Just those 4 bolts and you should have everything off. I have a little bit more because I have the steering stabilizer in here. Alright guys, next step what you're going to do is come over to the knuckle here. This holds for the tie rod, this holds for the drag link. You're going to take the supplied reamer, I believe it's 7/8. Just take it right through both of those. Go all the way through, make the hole 7/8 to fit the new joints. This is one that's already been reamed. Alright guys, next you're going to want to put your heims up here, mount it to the bottom of the pitman arm. We are putting our drag link on top of the knuckle, just like so. Alright guys, once you got all 4 bolts off, reinsert all these. Down here, there aren't any misalignment sleeves for the tie rod as it doesn't need them. So it's just basically a washer and a washer on top of the heim. Right there. Adjust everything to make sure your alignment's all set, steering wheel's straight. Make sure your steering stabilizers are back on if you had any. Make sure they're lined up. Check all the nuts and bolts. And then get ready for a test drive.